I am containing alimentary canal and associated gland. I am in my father part is mouth. I am inviting the mouth. Hi everyone. I am his mouth. I am bounded with upper and lower of the lips. Is called labia. In my mouth, the another organ is present. That is plated. The platter can the, the platter can separate the ventral buccal cavity from dorsal nasal chamber. And I am containing alimentary canal and associated gland. I am in my father part is mouth. I am inviting the mouth. Hi everyone. I am his mouth. I am bounded with upper and lower of the lips. Is called labia. In my mouth, the another organ is present. That is plated. The platter can the, the platter can separate the ventral buccal cavity from dorsal nasal chamber. And my facilities is choosing and breathing. Thank you. But my friend is but I am inviting my friend teeth. The teeth can explain what is the teeth, how many types of teeth, what is the function of teeth. Teeth, come to the dais.
Hi, my name is Teeth. My name is Teeth. I am origin in the ectomesodermal. I am origin in ectomesodermal. I am present in the human sockets of jawbone that is known as ricodont. I am are of two. I am are of two sets. That is milky teeth and another one is prominent teeth. Milky teeth. Milky teeth we can see in childhood. In childhood it comes and it is in adults it is replaced as permanent teeth. It is replaced as permanent teeth. This type of dentition is known as diphyodont dentist. Now I am inviting my further part, that is tongue. Welcome.
Hi, I am my tongue. My further part of my friend teeth. I am freely movable muscular sense organ attached to the floor of oral cavity by hold on tissues is known as frenulum. I act as universal truth brush, a helping mixing of saliva and food, a helping speaking. I will invite them my friend Pharynx. Hi everyone, I am a pharynx are divided into three parts. They are nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx. Nasopharynx is upper the part, oropharynx is middle the part, laryngopharynx is lower the part. A cartilaginous lamp is called epiglotticum. It prevent the enter of the food into a glottic during swallowing. My further part is esophagus. I invite the esophagus. Hi, my name is esophagus. The esophagus is thin long tube which extends posteriorly, the passing through the neck, thorax and neck, thorax, and finally leads into the stomach. My further part is liver. I will invite liver.
Hi everyone, I am the liver. I will be the largest gland in your human body, and my weight is 1.2 to 1.5, and I am play a key role in catabolic metabolism and also lipid metabolism. I have three more best friends. They are secretion and storage and synthesize. Third one is my and I release the again one close friend. She is my bile juice. And but I don't have any and I have a someone enemy. She is nothing but angel. But I have some bile salts. Thank you. Next I invite stomach. Hi everyone, welcome to stomach. My name is stomach. I am stored the food 4 to 5 hours, and when the food is entering in our body, my friend gastric juice is secreted. The gastric juice contains pepsinogen and mucus and HCl. HCl is converted into the pepsinogen as inactive to active. I will invite my sister, small intestine.
Hello everyone, I am the small intestine. I'm in the longest part of alimentary canal. And I consist of three regions. One is duodenum and second one is duodenum and third one is ileum. Once I'm repeating, the first one is duodenum and second one is duodenum and third one is ileum. And in the me, hepatopancreatic duct opens into the duodenum. And in the me, most of digestion takes place in, and I act only in alkaline medium. And now I'm inviting my friend large intestine. Hello everyone, I am large intestine. I am containing three: coccygeum, caecum, colon, rectum. Caecum is containing small biled sac containing the sympathetic organs. Sympathetic organs helps in digestion. My second part is colon. Colon is ascending order and descending parts. My third part is rectum. Rectum is a dilute sac and helps in anus. My parts is completed. Thank you. Hi.
కింద కూర్చోండి, కొంతమంది కింద కూర్చోండి, దగ్గరకు ఉండండి.